Hello my friends. Welcome to Magical Creations, where I am happy to present the Disney art Pleakley from the movie Lilo and Stitch. Before we begin, screenshot and print this page to be used as a guide. Or just draw 9 equally sized squares on a piece of paper. I generally like to start with the head. Using the grid, start by drawing what appears to be an oblong letter C. Try to keep your lines within the squares as shown. Remember, you can always slow or stop the video if needed while drawing, using the YouTube controls below. I then draw a line from the back of his head down to the jawline. Note that I stop at the bottom, and then draw a second line from the opposite side of his face down to meet the first jawline. I do this because I have a hard time drawing upward while keeping the shape of the line I desire. The bottom lip of the mouth is a downward swooping line, almost like the letter U, drawn from the left and connecting with the top lip on the right. Pleakley has one giant eye in the center of his head. Remember, he is an alien from space and doesn't look like us. Drawing the inside of the mouth is a little tricky, but I assure you, if you keep your lines drawn within the squares as shown, and with the proper positioning, you will find it very easy to accomplish. I like to think of this as his antenna, but to tell you the truth, I am not sure exactly what it is. As we move down to his body, let me tell you a little about Pleakley in the Disney movie Lilo and Stitch. Being an alien, his hobby is studying Earth, and he is the only alien with any knowledge of the distant planet Earth. As a result, the Grand Councilwoman pairs him with Jumba and puts Pleakley in charge of a covert mission to retrieve Stitch. Unfortunately, Pleakley's knowledge of Earth only comes from a GAF viewmaster, so his expertise about Earth and its inhabitants is somewhat questionable, to say the least. From his looks, you may think he is happy and calm, but he is actually uptight, nervous, and rule-bound. He can even be a bit obnoxious, which catches others' attention by his high-pitched voice, his know-it-all attitude, especially about Earth, and his tendency to panic at inappropriate times. Remember to take your time when drawing, and as I mentioned, slow or stop the video as needed to take a good look at how the lines are drawn. It takes me a while to draw these pictures when I am creating them for you, so don't feel like you need to be fast and rush through the drawing. I hope you enjoyed this style of drawing lesson. If so, be sure to watch of others to be coming. Some may be a little easier than this, for I would like to reach all my friends at different levels of expertise. After you complete your drawing, be sure to color it with whatever you like to use. I always think coloring the drawing brings out the personality and beauty of the cartoon character.